The car's headlights aren't just designed to light the road, but to keep you safe. Sounds surprising? It's true. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today let's explore how different types of headlights do much more than simply light the road. Traditional halogen headlights come with conventional bulbs which produce a warm yellow light that remains effective in fog and heavy rain. And then we have latest LED headlights which produce a bright, daylight-like white light that improves visibility, enhances road awareness, and reduces eye strain during night drives. While the projector headlights, which comes in both halogen and LED types, use a lens-based design that focuses light precisely, helping reduce glare for oncoming traffic while improving road illumination. These LED headlights come with adaptive light feature. In this, sensors and cameras continuously monitor the road. They automatically adjust the light beam high or low. Further, it can even illuminate the road around a corner as you turn, helping you spot bends and obstacles sooner. If you're wondering where to use what, each headlight technology has its own strengths. Remember that halogen works best in foggy hills. LEDs provide bright illumination for everyday driving. From halogen to LED lighting, modern headlights are designed to make every journey clearer, safer, and more comfortable. For added safety, always use Maruti Suzuki genuine parts and accessories. Want to understand another feature better? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned, stay informed.